Death insurance, it's a lump sum payment. Like if, me and my wife, we've got 3 kids, 3 girls. If I passed away, that's a significant impact on our family from an income point of view. And my wife is not doing any paid work at the moment. And so there are sometimes people thinking, well, if they're not doing paid work, do we need life insurance or any insurance? And I can tell you, my wife went to Morocco 2 years ago. She's about to go to Canada this year. I can tell you that it's chaos when she's away for 2 weeks. And so there needs to be a significant amount of capital injection into the household to fund me taking time off work. I don't want to be like, life is normal if my wife passes away. I need some money to be able to just completely switch off, focus 100% of my attention on my girls and their well-being as best as we can. So that's kind of the purpose of life insurance. If you have people financially dependent on you, then you probably need life insurance, is my view. Disability insurance, now that's kind of the lowest likelihood of happening, but the highest financial impact of happening. So if you're totally and permanently disabled and can never return to work again, the level of claims that are paid out is the lowest, in terms of the amount of people who are considered totally and permanently disabled. But you can never work again. The technical term that I like to use is you're stuffed financially. And so as much as you may think, hey, we've got all these investment goals, or you need income, you need the ability to earn money to have those financial goals. So that's kind of the purpose of the TBD payment. You can subsidize a lot of that loss of income with income protection, and they will pay out at the same time. So you can get paid a monthly income protection payment as well as a lump sum payment. And then trauma insurance is the third one, and that's for specific medical events. So, I have cancer. A lot of people think that, hey, do I need to prove that I've spent money on medical bills to get paid that? It's not health insurance. You're not getting rebates on specialist appointment. Just a lump sum payment that gets paid out if you qualify for it. The way I think about it is if I had cancer, I want to take time off work. We want to get the kids looked after. We want extra support. And same, if my wife was to be sick, I personally won't be able to claim on my own cover. There's no way I want to be at work while my wife's going through chemo and having this life-altering event. So that's what trauma policy is for, and that's kind of when we talk about how much cover we think about getting, they're the type of things that we consider. And it's just a lump sum payment. Whether you spend the money on the things that you think about or not, it really doesn't matter. The insurance company pays you that lump sum cover. Same with child's cover. It's the same type of thing. It's a mini life insurance and a mini trauma cover all rolled into one. So again, if something happens to one of my girls, my personal insurance won't pay me out because I'm not ill or injured, but I want to be taking time off work. And so that's what that lump sum will just pay out, and we can allocate those funds however we want.